Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel JP Tutorial Guide. In the previous video we learned about solar energy conversion system and their applications. If no one has seen the previous videos, you must have a link in the description box. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to be the first to receive our notification. After watching the video, you must give a valuable opinion about how the video is. So let's get started without delay. In today's video we will discuss some terms related to solar energy and their definition. So watch the video till the end to know about that. First, we will know about solar radiation. Solar radiation is the energy radiated by the sun. The radiated energy received on Earth's surface is called solar irradiation. Solar radiation received on a flat horizontal surface on Earth is called solar insolation. The solar radiation is of the following two types. Extraterrestrial solar radiation. The intensity of sun's radiation outside the Earth's atmosphere is called extraterrestrial solar radiation and has no diffuse components. Extraterrestrial radiation is the measure of solar radiation that would be received in the absence of atmosphere. Then next point, number 2, terrestrial solar radiation. The radiation received on the Earth's surface is called terrestrial radiation and is nearly 70% of extraterrestrial radiation. We will know about spectral distribution of solar radiation. Light rays radiated from the sun are in the form of electromagnetic wave in infrared, visible and ultraviolet frequency bands. The solar spectrum has the following three basis levels. Number 1, infrared band. With wavelengths too long for response by human's eye, frequency range 4 into 10 to the power 14 to 7.5 into 10 to the power 10 Hz. Wavelengths between 0.75 micron and 1.95 microns. 2. Visible band. Frequency range 6 into 10 to the power 16 to 7.69 into 10 to the power 14 Hz. Wavelengths between 0.39 micron and 0.75 micron. Number 3. Ultraviolet band. Frequency range 6 into 10 to the power 16 to 7.5 into 10 to the power 10 Hz. Wavelengths between 0.005 micron to 0.39 micron. In this figure, we can see direct radiation, diffuse radiation and total solar radiation. We will discuss about that in next video in details. Thanks viewer friend for watching the video carefully. If you like the video, please like and share. Stay tuned to the channel to get more videos like this related to renewable energy.